But now top corporate honcho Kiran Mazumdar-Shaw has hit out at Rahul Gandhi for his suit boot ki sarkar comments, calling it immature political tactics and petty rhetoric that is uncalled for. In this exclusive interview to NDTV, she says stalling bills like GST is hypocrisy on part of the Congress and partisan politics at its worst. She says the Congress is following an anti-development agenda, as in wrong in thinking that politics of poverty will help it win votes.
Good time to do some stock taking. How would you judge the performance of the government in its first year?
You know, basically, the way I look at the performance of the Modi government, I would like to say that my overall, view on this is that they have done a pretty decent job. I think I'm quite satisfied with the way the Modi government has performed, especially in context of the anti-development rhetoric that we are hearing from Congress. I think given the kind of challenges that the Modi government has had in rolling out some of its important reforms, given the hostile opposition that it has received from the Congress and other opposition parties, I think they have done a pretty decent job.
But many would say that the BJP played a very, very destructive role when it was in opposition. So in some ways, it's a taste of its own medicine.
Isn't this hypocrisy on the part of Congress? I mean, basically, we are saying that this is partisan politics at its worst. I think, okay, you can say that the BJP also tried to do the same when it was in the opposition. But equally, I think when Congress has embraced certain bills very, very passionately, especially the GST bill, I don't understand why they would resist it with such fierce opposition.
Kiran Mazumdar-Shaw, Rahul Gandhi has termed this government as Soot Boot Ki Sarkar, a government that works only for corporates, a government that's clearly anti the interests of farmers. Your thoughts on some of those allegations that Rahul Gandhi has leveled against the government in the past few weeks?
You know, I don't even want to comment on this stone throwing that Rahul Gandhi and the Congress are resorting to. I think this is absolutely uncalled for. I think this is very immature political tactics at a time when we need to focus on development. I do not agree with any of the things that Rahul Gandhi is talking about. So I, for one, am very disappointed in what the Congress is, talking about. Let's not get into all this mudslinging. I think using all these petty kind of rhetoric that is trying to kind of take pot shots at the Modi government is uncalled for. I think as a country, we should put national interests ahead of everything else. And national interest today calls for development. I don't think the Congress is focused on poverty alleviation. They almost believe that the politics of poverty is the way that they will get votes. And I think they need to think again.